In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to target by OS in Outbrain. We're focusing on a simple but powerful setting in the Outbrain DSP that helps your ads reach people based on the operating system they're using, like Android, iOS, Windows, or Mac OS. This is especially useful when your offer or landing page works best on certain platforms, or when your creative is designed for mobile or desktop experiences. Start by logging into your Outbrain DSP dashboard, then either create a new campaign or open an existing one to edit. Choose whichever option fits your workflow. Targeting works the same either way. As you move through the campaign setup, you'll see a targeting area. Within that, look for device targeting. Depending on your account layout, it might appear under Advanced Targeting, so expand that section if you don't see it right away. Device targeting is where Outbrain groups settings related to how users access your ads, things like device type, operating system, and browsers. It's helpful to think of this area as the control panel for technical compatibility and user context. For example, device type decides whether you reach mobile or desktop, while operating system makes sure you reach users on the specific platforms your offer supports. Now open the operating system options. Here you can choose from Android, iOS, Windows, and Mac OS. Pick the operating systems that match your campaign goals. If you're promoting a mobile app, you'll likely select Android and iOS. If your product is desktop-focused, Windows and Mac OS may be the right fit. You can select one or several OS options at the same time. Keep in mind that the more narrowly you target, the smaller your potential reach becomes, which can impact delivery and pacing. Balance precision with scale by choosing only the platforms that truly matter for your objective. Before moving on, take a moment to confirm your selections. Make sure they align with your landing page experience and any platform-specific creative you plan to run. If your site or offer is optimized for a particular OS, targeting that OS helps reduce wasted impressions and improves user experience. When you're satisfied, click Save and Continue. This applies your OS selections and moves you forward in the campaign setup. You can revisit these settings later if your needs change, but saving now ensures your campaign is configured to reach the right users from the start. That's it. OS targeting in Outbrain is quick to set up and highly effective when matched to your campaign's goals.